Let's go. And it's not because they're lazy or dumb, it's because they're using the wrong tools. You can watch every tutorial, read every book, still lose. Why? Because the market doesn't care about your hard work. It only cares about timing, volume, and momentum. But what if you had something that could actually read the market for you? Something that shows you real-time buy and sell zones across crypto, Forex, stocks, and indices? That's exactly what VIP Indicators does. And today, I'm going to break it all down. Most traders start off the same way. You open TradingView, you draw a few trend lines, you watch a YouTube guru talk about MACD and Fibonacci, and you place a trade. Sometimes you win, but more often you don't. Why? Because indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, they're all lagging. They react after the move already happened. You need tools that help you see what's coming, not what already happened. This is why smart traders are turning to VIP indicators, because they're not just technical tools, they're predictive systems. And here's the kicker. Most people don't even know what predictive tools are. They're still relying on guesswork, patterns, and Reddit hype. Imagine going into a boxing ring blindfolded. That's what trading without predictive signals feels like. But when you can anticipate what the market might do next, you suddenly stop reacting and start preparing. That's the game changer. VIP Indicators is a trading suite that works directly with TradingView. You don't need to install any software. No coding required, no subscription to a broker. Just log into TradingView, apply the indicators, and boom, you're in business. So what makes VIP different? It's built to help you identify buy zones, sell zones, trend reversals, momentum confirmations, and risky zones to avoid. The indicators analyze multiple time frames, liquidity flows, and momentum shifts in real time. You don't need to overthink it. It tells you when to enter, when to wait, and when to get out. There are also advanced tools available for those who want. Smart stop-loss placements, automated confluence analysis, precision break retest signals. It's like having a trading coach built into your chart. Let's say you're watching Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart. You see some choppy price action. Most retail traders would either FOMO in or miss the move entirely. But VIP Indicators flashes a green zone beneath the price. It suggests upward pressure is building. You wait for confirmation. The next candle closes above that zone. That's your signal. You enter. You ride the trend. Then, VIP flashes a red sell zone. You exit. You lock in profits. Now imagine doing this consistently, day after day, without the stress of second-guessing every move. That's the VIP advantage. And it's not just crypto. You can do this with NASDAQ, gold, EAR, USD, Tesla, oil. VIP works anywhere you can chart. Basically, anywhere there's a chart, VIP can help. 1. Buy-sell zones, automatically drawn on the chart. These are areas where institutions are likely to buy or sell based on liquidity. 2. Momentum strength meter. This lets you see if a move is supported across time frames or just a small blip. 3. Trend confirmation alerts. VIP gives you a green light only when the trend is confirmed by volume, price action, and zone alignment. 4. Noise filter. Removes low-volume chop areas so you don't trade junk setups. 5. Real-time alerts. You can get alerts directly to your phone or browser when the market conditions match your setup. 6. Visual confidence meter. See trend strength at a glance. Green, strong trend. Yellow, caution. Red, likely reversal. 7. Cross-asset compatibility. Trade crypto in the morning, Forex in the afternoon, and stocks in the evening, all using the same system. This tool works on crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities, indices. It's trading made smarter. VIP is designed to be visual and intuitive. Are you experienced but struggling with consistency? VIP will help you avoid low-probability trades and emotional decisions. Are you profitable but looking to scale? VIP helps reduce drawdowns and improve trade selectivity. This is the kind of tool that grows with you. And the best part? You don't need to sit in front of charts all day. And when you do act, it'll be backed by confluence. The system is designed to reduce Overtrading, revenge trading, FOMO entries. By showing you when not to trade, VIP protects you from your worst impulses. It creates discipline through structure. Most traders fail not because of poor analysis, but because they let emotion take over. VIP indicators gives you clarity in those moments. You'll trade less, but better. No pressure, no commitment. Just grab the book and start learning. And here's the good news. You don't need to pay anything to get started. VIP offers a completely free Trading for Beginners book that already has over 1 million readers worldwide. Here's what you'll find inside. Step-by-step strategies explained with visuals, trading psychology foundations, how to time the market better, how to avoid beginner mistakes. Here's what to do right now. 1. Click the link in the description below. 2. It takes you to the official VIP indicators page. 3. Hit Get Free Access to download the book instantly. That's it. Once you read through it, you'll know whether this tool fits your style. You can decide to go deeper later, once you're ready. And remember, this isn't some gimmicky ebook. This is real battle-tested trading education, used by thousands of traders across the globe. Here's what people are saying. I was skeptical at first, but after applying the signals, I had 6 winning trades in a row. This is the cleanest indicator I've used on TradingView. It removes the noise. I used to rely on Reddit and Discord groups to get trade ideas. Now I rely on VIP. I used to fear red candles. Now I see them as opportunities. I don't trade every day anymore. I wait for VIP to tell me when it's worth it. VIP is changing the way people think about trading, and the results speak for themselves. If you've made it this far, ask yourself, VIP indicators can't guarantee profits. With clarity. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It starts with learning. Your next step? That's the doorway to everything that comes next. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your trading journey. Remember, the market doesn't reward effort. It rewards precision. And with VIP indicators, you finally have a tool that helps you trade with precision. See you on the inside.